Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. In this video, I'll be explaining why I'm selling my Sony a5100 as well as my a6100. Both are great cameras, but I don't need them. So let's talk about it right now. Alright, so I have these two amazing cameras, the a5100 as well as the a6100. And I'm not going to keep them. Actually, I'm going to sell them. Here's two reasons why I'm doing that. The first reason, of course, is that the a5100 especially can be replaced with the a5000, which I have. In fact, I have three of these. The a5000 now can do a clean HDMI through a special mod. And so really, that's what I was using the a5100 for live streaming. And because this camera can have a clean HDMI, so live streaming is also possible with the a5000. So really the a5100 is not needed. The other mod that I discussed last couple of weeks is that this can also do unlimited recording. So I don't have to worry about it stop recording after 30 minutes. In fact, notice how I hook up to my Ninja 2. So it's not even recording to the camera directly. It's actually recording to the Ninja 2. Allows me to have ProRes 4228-bit and has a cleaner video recording. So this is great setup, and the audio is improved because of the Ninja 2 as well. Remember that the a5100 as well as the a5000 doesn't have a audio out. With the Ninja 2, it's now able to do that. So this camera is now replacing the a5100 and even replacing my a6100. And the reason why it's also replacing my a6100 is because the setup here that I have for the a5000 with the Ninja 2, I really don't need my a6100, especially when I'm doing YouTube videos and vlogging. I'm only doing 1080p. So really, if I think about it, I have these two cameras sitting in my closet and it's dusting away. So it's pretty much almost new, and why let it go to waste when you can get cash, which is my second point. So my second point is that with these two cameras, I can get a good value for it because I know people still want to have a decent vlogging live streaming camera like the a5100 or the a6100. So if I sell it, I may be able to get a pretty decent price for it. And I need money to fund my video projects, whether it's short films. And with short films, you know, you want to do a decent job. It's not going to be based on just people volunteering in my film. I have to pay them well. That's including making sure that they have food to eat, making sure they have accommodation, and making sure that they get paid for, you know, if they're going to do this long term with me. So this is important to have extra cash to fund your project. You will need the money. If you decide to do short film, for example, I would say minimum 5,000 would we need to do a decent short film, even if it's like 15 minutes long. So having money, it's always useful, and sometimes you don't have access to money and you don't want to be in debt. And so the best way to get cash is to look at your gears, see which one you don't need, sell it, get cash, and then just use that to film your projects. So those are the two main reasons why I'm selling my gears. I'm hoping that I'll look for other gears that I might not use and sell them off and have enough money to really do what I'm passionate about, is doing short films, or maybe acquire a better gears in the future, which I was looking at FS6, which is, you know, very, very expensive, and I'm thinking maybe in 3-4 years from now I can afford it, but I can't afford it right now without accumulating cash and not being in debt. Same thing with, for example, the DJI Mini 3, which I'm also interested in, but not necessarily now. I could be also selling one of my drones to trade in for my DJI Mini 3 if DJI is releasing in the future, and I have a feeling they might be releasing sometime in mid of 2022, which is great. I'm not in a rush, of course, to buy all these gears. I think it's more important to actually invest in people, in places. So that's, to me, is more important. That's where the money should be going instead of getting more new gears. However, that would be also a plan as well in the future to get a really good professional cinema camera that even Netflix is approved of, the FS6, and also something that I might be really proud of. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe though. I'll see you soon. Bye.